What's up, guys? LegendaryBroz, Sully here today. Playing Teardown, and as you can see, a helicopter just crashed with a bunch of zombies in it and on the aircraft carrier. So the only way to protect it, since there's a zombie apocalypse. Also, if you want to do this, it's a cool mod. Just it's not it's pretty cool. You can do a bunch of stuff like typhoon, word mixing. But right now, I'm doing this based off a zombie attack, and as you can see, we have the brand new military helicopter. To fight off against these zombies that came from that crash helicopter. Let's go ahead and open this door. Let's get inside. Since this helicopter does actually have guns, and I do know how to shoot them. Alright, let's go. This is about to be fun. Since this was the best zombie mod in the game. Oh, you're done now, zombie! Nope. As you can see, the helicopter clearly crashed right there. Which there's a lot of zombies. Yeah, I made the helicopter look like it's a little bit crashed. Because I kind of set this thing up. There's a lot of zombies stuck in there. Oh my gosh, a lot. There you go. I freed him. But they literally have no idea what to do. Zombies, I'm over here. In the helicopter, come and get me. I got a little light for y'all guys to see. It's a little bit dark. Maybe I should have placed that. There's a helicopter. It got destroyed and it got burnt up. Tried to run away from the zombies, but they just got attacked. Here's my backstory behind the helicopter. It tried to come and stay safe from the zombie apocalypse at the city, but the way the zombies ended up getting a helicopter, like this, the pilot just had to come over here right when the zombies were about to get. Yeah, they're crashed. Let me get out of the helicopter so they can see me. Okay, they see me. Oh, they see me. They see me. They see me. Oh, they see me. Hi, guys. Alright, it's time to go. Go up, go up, go up! No, he's literally right at the thing. Ben, your timer's up. He's literally right at the thing, dude. Crushed him. Maybe we should be a Decker helicopter. I just destroyed it. I mean, I'm hitting him. Just not doing that much damage. The missiles are doing the most damage. What that mean? I'm definitely like hitting him. Die, zombies. Maybe we should do it more like instead of a helicopter attacking the zombies, like a helicopter trying to escape from the zombies. I think that would be better. Cause they're just not coming to me. Alright, bro. And I just got him. Oh, snap my blades! Uh-oh. Somebody needs to get the helicopter entangled. Where the zombies get to it. Uh-oh. Accidentally broke it. Well, maybe it looks like I'm going to be escaping now. Alright, let me spawn a zombie horde. Let's do horde this time. And now they're going to be all around the place. Now their spawn is going to be even bigger. So now that I remove that, they're going to start spawning insane. Oh, yeah. Then, of course, the only escape is through the helicopter to escape. Aircraft spawner, helicopters, and this one. Alright. Oh crap, I accidentally spawned zombies. I hope that doesn't affect the helicopter. Let's go, guys! Detailed. What just happened? Oh, they got stuck in the blade! Whoa! Die, buddy. Whoa, they keep falling down. This dude's hanging out for dear life, bro. Uh-oh, I died. Ow. Alright, let's get a little bit closer to the zombies. There's about a whole lot of zombies. If I just go to horde right here, they're gonna start spawning rapidly. And when I say rapidly, I mean rapidly. No, I don't wanna. Wait, it's gonna spawn zombies on the helicopter. Wait, what? I accidentally spawned a flying one! No, 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 no. Out, 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 out. Well, that whole thing just crashed. Got obliterated. I still gotta go, though. I was actually supposed to spawn ground. Let's go, go, go. Uh-oh. We're trying to get inside. Close the door. Yes, I got it closed. Oh, they're trying to budget, dude. gonna be like a whole bunch of zombies, bro. Zombies out of magic. It's gotta be a punch though. There you go. Looks like we're going up. Oh my gosh. There are so many zombies, dude. Well, they're falling through the thing, though. Some of them are making it. Toggle rim. Hey, you can't get inside, guys. Uh-oh, they're starting to get inside. Bro, they really can't get inside? Come on, you gotta get closer, guys. Yeah, see ya, buddies. But they just keep falling through the thing. Bro, I just go through that, what the heck? Raise the door. Alright, close that. Close that back. I think these zombies are still trying to attack us. I think that would be the time to go. Oh, hey, it's time to make a video. Well, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. Love you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you go in the description down below. Share with Banner Jim Rich. Hope you guys like this video. Love you guys. Stay sweet. Bye. And cut. Love you guys. Stay sweet. Bye. And cut.